You gonna love this. Trust me. Watch what I do. It's something new. You ain't never seen me do this. Watch. Alright, y'all. So check out how I'm about to do this. This is a large print and cut. And I pretty much took out the wife beater. You know what I mean? After I layered this layer down, there's another layer of reflective that'll go over the chain and the watch. Look how that chain hitting and that watch. Look at this. I gotta replace that one red stone right there. I don't even know. I couldn't even see it on that black board. It blended in. That might be lit. I don't know how I place it. That's what them black stones look like, y'all.